This is the story of Stephen, a university student from the city, who came to his grandfather's village for the holidays, unaware of the darkness that waited for him. The village was peaceful, beautiful, and full of life. But something caught his eye, a strange, abandoned mansion at the edge of the village. "Grandpa, why is that mansion so deserted?" His grandfather's smile faded. He paused, then simply said, "Because what's inside," once dared to speak the truth. Stephen couldn't stop thinking about the mansion. That night, while everyone slept, he grabbed a flashlight and a camera and quietly slipped out. As he approached the mansion, the rusty old gate creaked open by itself. Cold air hit his face, and the door slammed shut behind him. The house was completely silent. Each step echoed like a scream in the dark. Then he saw a door, room number 4. A soft, whispering sob was coming from inside. Stephen stepped into the room and spotted an old dusty mirror on the floor. As he picked it up, a girl's reflection suddenly appeared inside it. Terrified, Stephen turned around. No one, but in the mirror, her hand began to reach out. And then, she appeared in front of him, floating, silent, staring. Her voice was cold, but full of pain. "My name is Zara. I was the daughter of this village's ruler. I spoke the truth to protect an innocent woman, and my own father locked me in this room. It became my prison, and my grave. Now I need justice. Speak my truth, and set me free." He woke up the next morning, in his own bed at Grandpa's house. Was it a dream? But the dust on his clothes proved it was real. "I warned you not to go there, Stephen," his grandfather whispered. Stephen told him everything. His grandfather's eyes filled with tears. She was right, but no one listened. Her silence became her curse. Stephen decided to share Zara's truth with the world. He made a video and told her real story to everyone. Sometimes, the scariest truth is the one no one wants to hear. Room number 4 is no longer cursed, but it still remembers the silence of a voice that once spoke the truth, and now is gone forever.